Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check the file system of a drive in Windows 11 or 10 using PowerShell. For this, right click on the Start button and select here Terminal Admin. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. In PowerShell window, you need to type get dash volume command and then press enter on the keyboard. This will show file system type like this. You can see here NTFS, FAT32, NTFS and FAT32 like this. In your Windows PC also you can check file system type. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.